Greetings, greetings, greetings. We are here at the close of the market day. And what we're looking at here for the dollar is this was actually a very interesting start to the week. So this week has started on an uptrend. We do have news coming in tomorrow for the dollar, the ISM Services PMI numbers. That number is expected to rise from 51.8 up to 52. And so that's what we're potentially seeing here. Again, holding both its 20 period and 50 period moving averages coming into today, continuing to push up on both of those, rejected at its 100 period moving average. So this is on watch. That ISM number does come in tomorrow at 10 a.m. So we are watching this to see if this can break above this 100 period moving average, or if it continues to get rejected. This price action, even for the stop here, for this sort of an inverted hammer here, this does take place on top of the closing price action from last week. So that's super important to note, is that the end of last week before this flush, this was an area that um, that caused for that flush to take place. And so now price with this drop still remained on top of this. And so that's something very interesting to note. We pointed out earlier today as far as the little bounce off of UC, off of the wild card area, getting rejected by its 20 period moving average. We saw this very similar setup again here, coming off of his weekly open here, and then getting rejected here, this 20 period moving average. We do see for the GU idea getting some support here. We talked about the support here at the 50 period moving average above 126. And then we have for the EU idea, again, this is a drop. So this was one of those areas where with the 200 and the 108 area, that area would be pretty tough to continue to just for price to continue to collapse through. So again, this one is down for the week, but with its 200 period moving average and the 108 area being here, you could definitely get a bounce here. You could definitely get some follow through here, depending on what comes out for the euro and what comes out this week for the dollar. We also have here, we talked about here, the golden zone for this trade idea. This one is coming back down to its 50. So now it's back down here to its 50. That 50 is looking to hold as these wicks are holding here as far as this price action here. So we're looking for the AU to continue to be held by its 50 period moving average off of this pullback. Again, it has been bullish consistently for some time now. And then we also have this NU idea. So for the NU idea, we have this pullback here taking place. The 20 period moving average could not hold, but the 20 period moving average did get rejected when price sought to break back above the 20 period moving average. So that's what we're looking at. That's what we have here for the G J idea. Again, 200 period moving average here. Looking at support as well as that 185. And then we have for the EJ idea, this one's down for the week. Pop back up here throughout the rest of the day, but only to not make it back to weekly open. So that's an area to watch. We have the CJ idea. Again, this one was down for the week, pushed back up, was able to gain its 20 period moving average before getting rejected by its 50 period moving average. After getting rejected by its 50 period moving average, it not only lost the 20 period moving average, but it also lost its weekly open once more. We have the AJ idea again underneath this 100 period moving average. Again, that is those are further signs of bearishness, as well as the 20 crossing down below the 50. And so again, this is a very bearish price action for the AJ idea. This one is going to need to get back above its moving averages. Price does continue dropping. The next area to watch will be this 97 area, 200 period moving average area down here for a potential bounce off of that long-term moving average. Last but not least, we have the NJ idea here. So for the NJ idea, this is a pretty steep pullback down for the week. This is now underneath This 20-period moving average. So this 20-period moving average could continue to push this price down as this price seeks to make its way back above. And so we'll continue to keep this one on watch and see how the news comes in, if that news is favorable, so it can get out of this consolidation period that it's in right here. And this consolidation period was broken down with a candle that broke, but then popped right back up because of that 50-period moving average. So we'll continue to watch these, see kind of how everything shapes up for this week. Again, tomorrow we do have the ISM numbers for the US dollar. We have news this evening coming up for the interest rate decision for the Australian dollar, as well as the GDP number tomorrow that is expected to remain the same for the Australian dollar tomorrow evening. So we'll continue to keep our eye on all of these, and we'll keep you posted here and over in Discord as well.